हैव यू एवर बीन इन अ सिचुएशन वेर यू स्टार्ट अ चैलेंज एंड तुम कंप्लीटली मोटिवेटेड होते हो बट देन बूम लाइफ हैपन्स एंड द चैलेंज गोज टू वेन. Honestly, been there, done that. But this time we are going to take the 75 hard challenge, but with a twist. We are going to twist the rules according to our life and our goals. And you guys are going to be here with me, watching my journey and maybe tagging along. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Avdi, and without any further ado or without any further more bug, let's begin the video. Yes, you heard it right. We are taking up the 75 hard challenge. I know you must be thinking कि भाई वैसे भी challenges नहीं हो रहे हैं ऊपर से 75 hard and जैसे कि खबरें सुनी है कि लोग 75 hard just ऐसे ही quit कर देते हैं. We are not scared of quitting first of all. We are not scared कि हम quit कर देंगे. Quit किया तो किया, who cares? It's just we are taking this experiment and we are testing our willpower if we can complete this 75 hard challenge. And I hope you guys are here with me, and I hope you guys also tag and I hope you guys also tag along if you really wish to. So yes, I'm going to explain of the 75 hard. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the of the 75 hard rules. So let's begin. Okay, so the rule number 1 is no sugar and no bread for the next 75 days. आई नो काफ़ी 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 हार्ट ब्रेकिंग रूल सबसे पहले ही डाल दिया मैंने, बट ऑनेस्टली इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट रूल बिकॉज सारे भसड़ की जड़ यही दोनों चीज़ें हैं, विच इज़ शुगर एंड ब्रेड. लाइक sugar is really harmful, as we all know. We have read multiple studies, we have watched multiple videos that sugar is not good and good for you and all, which is very true. That is the reason this rule. And most of the junk food items that we have in Mumbai, that are bread based. Okay, so अगर मैं bread ही eliminate कर रही हूँ, then I'm eliminating a lot of junk food which I can have, like sandwiches, burgers, or pav bhaji or vada pav. I know it is heartbreaking, but for the next 75 days, this rule has to be followed without any conditions, without any cheating. And I know it is so difficult, but yes, this is the rule number 1. Let's move on to the rule number 2. Okay, so हमारा second rule is to work out 1 hour every day, which is really important, I guess, for everyone, not just someone who is doing challenges or stuff. But we often forget, हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें वर्कआउट भी करना चाहिए हमारी बॉडी के लिए, बिकॉज हमारा काम ही ऐसा है कि हमें पूरा दिन काम करना पड़ता है, एंड देन वी गेट टायर्ड, वी गेट एग्जॉस्टेड एंड स्टफ. सो बट ये सब को साइड में रख के गिविंग योरसेल्फ 1 hour एवरी डे इज सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर not just your physical health but for your mental health as well. I know I am saying this because I have been consistently working out. I was consistently working out for a long period of time, but after that I am not working out in last 1 month. And honestly, when I compare the two of them, I think when I was working out, I was much more happier, and I want to bring that back. That is the reason as well to include this rule. Actually, main जो original 75 hard challenge है, उसमें you have to work out 45 minutes twice in a day. Like 45 minutes सुबह, 45 minutes शाम को, और any which ways you want. बट हम थोड़ा इसको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके हम थोड़ा 1 hour ही रखेंगे दिन में. लेट्स गो स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली. हमें 2 दिन में बेड पे नहीं जाना है. सो या वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क आउट फॉर 1 hour every day, and this is our rule number 2. Moving on to rule number 3. So rule number 3 is drinking at least 2 liters of water every single day. I know 2 liter water इतना नहीं साउंड कर रहा होगा कि 2 लीटर वाटर क्या ही है, ऐसे ही पी सकते हैं. बट ऑनेस्टली ट्रस्ट मी, गिवन मुंबई की बारिश, पानी पीने का मन नहीं होता है, एंड देन यू आर ऑफन लेस डिहाइड्रेटेड every day. So we are taking up this rule so that we are hydrated and we drink at least 2 liters of water every day to nourish बोलने वाली थी, to nourish our body and to keep ourselves hydrated, which is so very important for our body. Honestly, you have to stay hydrated. There is no two opinions on that. You have to stay hydrated. So that is the reason, rule number 3, you guys. Okay guys, so rule number 4. When we come to rule number 4, in actual 75 hard challenge, it is to read some non-fictional book which is self-help or anything non-fictional. But we are going to exchange that rule with reading law books, as I am a law student and I have my exams coming up. So I think switching it up with reading law books every single day will help enhance my knowledge, as well as will help me to do well in exams. Because हम law students whole year round we don't pick up our books. हम एक रात पहले ही पढ़ते हैं और एक रात पहले ही पूरा entire semester का syllabus ख़त्म करते हैं, which is so not right because पूरी रात जागना पड़ता है. But we do it anyways because we are law students. So हमारी नॉलेज थोड़ी enhance करने के लिए और थोड़ा prep करने के लिए for our exams, I think this rule is going to help us a lot. So yes, that is rule number 4 for you guys. Also, before moving forward, I'm just going to say कि law books का rule सिर्फ मेरे लिए है. You can read any self-help books or any non-fiction books as well. Moving on to rule number 5. Okay, so the rule number 5 is to take mirror selfies every single day. I think that is not a difficult rule. That is a very, very simple rule. But I have heard people in videos that despite this being such a simple rule, वो लोग often fail कर जाते हैं to take their pictures every single day. These pictures बोल रही हूँ, क्या हो जाता है मेरी speech को? These pictures are for keeping a track of your progress. I think this should be easy, but let's see, we will get to know once we start this challenge and we go about it. So yeah, that is rule number 5. Now coming to the main question, why did I choose these rules? Okay, तो आप ओरिजिनल 75 हार्ड चैलेंज देखोगे ना, तो दैट इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एंड वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्टिव, एंड दैट डज नॉट अलाइन विद माई लाइफ एंड माई गोल्स. So I twisted it and turned it around my life and my goals. My goal is not just to build my physical strength, but my goal is to build my mental strength, my physical strength, as well as my academic strength. So because of these reasons, मैंने वो ओरिजिनल वाला 75 हार्ड नहीं चुना और मैंने चुना कि मैं अपने रूल्स बनाऊं एंड अपना एक 75 हार्ड का रूटीन बनाऊं, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक टू दैट, विच इज़ इक्वली हार्ड बिकॉज कोई भी रूटीन या कोई भी चैलेंज को स्टिक करने के लिए यू नीड मेंटल विल पावर, विच इज गोइंग टू I think get fulfilled with these rules as well. So I would also suggest, if you are starting a 75 hard challenge and the original 75 hard challenge does not align with your goals, you can twist and turn some of the rules a little bit and you can start your own 75 hard challenge. Well guys, let's be real, this is not going to be easy. Like रोज law books पढ़ना is not a joke. I would be rather scrolling Instagram when I'm tired. रोज workout करना is not going to be easy. I would rather be sleeping in my bed in the cozy blanket. रोज 2 लीटर पानी पीना will not be easy because वेदर ही ऐसा है कि पानी पीने का मन ही नहीं करेगा, बट देन टू आई विल हैव टू ड्रिंक वाटर. सो it is going to be difficult, it is not going to be easy, it is going to test my limits, test my consistency, test my patience and do everything. not eating junk food, like not eating bread and sugar, is going to test is going to be put to test. That is the correct way to say it. It is going to be put to test when I go out with my friends or at family gatherings जहाँ सब मस्त पाव भाजी खा रहे हैं और मैं बस उनकी शक्लें देख रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट हैव दैट पाव. जहाँ सब फालूदा खा रहे हैं, वॉफल खा रहे हैं, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ईट दैट फालूदा और वॉफल, क्योंकि मैं 75 हार्ट पे हूँ. सो इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी ईजी. It is going to test all our limits and we are up for that. And honestly, मैं ये भी बोलूँगी कि नहीं हुआ, then also it is okay, we start again. No one is pressuring us to do anything, so we are going to be easy on us and not hard on us. We are going to be easy on us, but at the same time we are going to be disciplined that we have to follow this. If we don't follow this, we start from scratch. बट लेट्स होप ऐसी नौबत ही ना आए कि हमें दोबारा स्टार्ट करना पड़े. सो या, दीज आर द रूल्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टिंग 75 हार्ड फ्रॉम टुमारो. Today is day 0. Today I'm going to have all my favorite sweets and all my favorite vada pav, pav bhaji, everything. But will be in control because कल से हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा वो सब. तो guys, are you with me? Comment in the comment section below. Also, this challenge is not to be perfect but to be consistent. So हमने अगर एक दिन मिस कर भी लिया, we start again the next day, and for the next 75 days I am going to keep you posted, keep you updated on my journey, and I hope you guys enjoy it and maybe you guys join or tag along with me. So yeah, we are doing it. We are doing the 75 hard challenge, but of the way. Also keep in mind, this challenge is not to punish you or not to make you perfect, but to make you consistent. So we'll treat it like that so it does not get heavy on our head. I'll be posting weekly vlogs of my journey and I hope you guys will like it and be there for me. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one with the 7 days of my 75 hard.